Hi everybody, we are moving on today to solving systems of equations by substitution. And you should be right on that note page in your packet, and right at the very top it says solving systems of equations by substitution. Now on this page, really the notes are there. So I want you to spend about the next 5 minutes. You're just going to listen and watch on this screen, and hopefully you're going to absorb quite a bit of this, and then you'll be ready to practice. So sit back and do some active listening here, and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to write these equations. They're at the top of your page right now. We've got y equals 4x minus 1, and we have 3x plus 2y equals 9. And right away we can see that this method, it is conducive to substitution. We want to use the substitution method because one of the variables is already isolated. This y is by itself already. So really what we're going to be doing is we know that y is equal to 4x minus 1. These are equivalent. That equal sign means equals, right? So y equals 4x minus 1. So what we're going to be able to do is we're going to be able to take this 4x minus 1, we're going to be able to substitute it in where we see y in the other equation. They're equal to each other. It says it right here. So let's do that. So what we're going to do, we're going to rewrite this. We've got 3x plus 2, but let's substitute 4x minus 1 for y. 4x minus 1. That's going to equal 9. And then let's just do the math. We're going to use the distributive property here. 2 times 4x is 8x. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Equals 9. We have our 3x here. Right, we just carried this down. And right here we can see, all right, we have like terms. So 3x plus 8x is 11x. Minus 2 equals 9. Let's add 2 to both sides. Right, this is going to cancel out. Now we've got 11x equals 11. Divide 11 from both sides. X equals 1. All right, we're halfway there, just about halfway there. So we have our value of x, but we still have to find our value of y to have a solution. So no big deal. We know we have the value of x. Let's use this first top equation here. Y equals 4x minus 1. And we're just going to substitute the value of x in for this equation. So where we see x, we're going to plug 1 in. So y equals 4 times 1 minus 1. Well, 4 times 1 is 4 minus 1. So y equals 3. All right, we've got our values of x and y. So we've got 1, 3. That's our solution, everybody. There's our solution. But we still got to do our check. We know in algebra we can do a lot of checking. So let's do our check. Let's really make sure that this is our solution. Let's look at the second equation right here. 3x plus 2y equals 9. Well, we've got our value of x and y. Let's substitute them in and evaluate. 3 times 1 plus 2 times 3 equals 9. Let's see. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 times 3, which is 6. Yeah, 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 equals 9. It checks out. Excellent. I like when things check out. Love when a plan comes together. So this is really the notes. You already have them on your page. At the very bottom of this first note page, it's going to say circle an expression and the variable you could substitute it for in each system below. So you're just going to practice that. The first one's done for you. Right at the bottom of the page, you're going to practice these, and you're going to flip the page over, and you're going to actually practice solving these systems by the substitution method. It's all about continuing to practice. This will become a pretty easy method and very useful, but you got to practice. All right, good luck, everybody.